Hello everyone. Now we want to talk about the importance of sex education for adolescents. Before that, we want to introduce ourselves. My name is Muhammad Al-Qatullah and my partner is
Zaran Abimanyu Gunawan.
and check it out.
The importance of sex education for adolescents. What is adolescence? Adolescence is a transitional period from childhood to adulthood, marked by various biological, cognitive, emotional, and social change. Adolescence, lasting from approximately 10 to 22 years of age, is characterized by increased developmental demands, the search for self-identity, and the need for greater independence. During this period, individuals are also challenged to develop moral, values, discipline, and a sense of responsibility, which serve as the primary foundation for developing a mature and responsibility personality. During this time, physical, emotional, and social change occur simultaneously, often leading to identity conflicts, making them vulnerable to various environmental and social influence, both positive or negative. Environmental and social factors are the place where individuals grow, develop, and engage in social interaction, including with family, peers, and the community. These environments should positively impact adolescents, developing their potential and cognitive function to become more mature. However, these environments often have negative impacts, one of which is promiscuity. Next, understanding promiscuity among adolescents. The definition is promiscuity is the social interaction of an individual or group that violates or is not bound by religious norms, law, morality, or cultural values. The data show 60% of adolescents at 16 to 17 engage in extramarital sex. 20% of adolescents aged 19 to 20 are involved in premarital sexual activity. More than 59,000 school dispensation requests filed. 80% rejects due to prior pregnancy. It's because, first, absence of open communication between parents, school, and adolescents fuels risky choice. Second, societal stigma and lack of sex education leave adolescents uninformed and vulnerable. Third, uncontrolled social media exposure increases risks of promiscuous behavior. So, why sex education important for adolescents? Sex education is still considered taboo in Indonesian society. Many people think that sex education is limited to discussing biological process, even though it also includes explaining which parts and cannot be touched by the others. So, why is the sex education important? Is first, prevent STIs, reduce transmission of sexually transmitted infection, including HIV. Second, prevents early pregnancy, lowers the risk of premarital and unplanned pregnancy. Third, challenge objectification, reduce viewing women as objects and lowering harassment risks to women. Number four, build mutual respect. It encourages respect between individual in relationship.
Now we want to talk how to educate adolescents about sex. For the first, the role of parent. By providing gradual sexual education according to the child's age and developmental level, parents can help children understand their bodies. And then, parents also as a protector of their children, they need to teach that every individual has the right to control their own body and to say no in situations that make them uncomfortable, and then have open communication with children without any judgmental feeling and prioritize comfortable when discussing matters related sexuality, and then instill spiritual moral and responsibility values so that children know the boundaries and guidelines for their behavior. And the second, the role of school, providing students with sexual education materials that address not only biological factors, but also psychological, social, emotional, and ethical aspects. Comprehensive presentation helps students gain a sound understanding and avoid the misinformation. School also play a role in developing student decision-making skill. Learning process trains students to thinking critically, control their emotions, and consider the consequence of its decision. And then teachers are expected to create a safe inclusive and stigma-free learning environment, allowing students to feel comfortable asking questions, discussing, and expressing their opinions on various issues related to reproductive health and sexual development. And the truth is the role of the social environment. As a source of sexual information, it's important to choose social circles based on moral and spiritual values to avoid misunderstanding about sexual education for adolescents. And then, if the social environment instills values of responsibility, self-respect, and the importance of maintaining reproductive health, adolescents are more likely to have a positive attitude toward sex education. Provide emotional support during puberty. A positive environment helps adolescents feel more accepted, understood, and less alone in navigating this change. On the other hand, providing sexual education to teenagers also has a positive impact from a psychological point of view, increasing psychological resilience. The sexual education provided can answer their question and curiosity, which in the end can make them wiser and less usually draw into the negative environment during the transition period, strengthening self-control and preventing impulsive behavior. Knowledge related to the danger of sexually transmitted disease and early pregnancy can increase self-control and a sense of responsibility for themselves in teenagers to not do this thing. Prevention of trauma, fear, and anxiety. By providing sexual education to adolescents, they can be prevented from predators who can cause psychological disorder when they become victims of harassment. And the last, increases confidence and self-efficacy. Providing sex education to adolescents can make them more confident and understand how to respond to scenes of change that occur in themselves.